Minisita Muveani wa Useei wa Nthini Kipchumba Murkomen Niwaendeea Kutula Muti Ndongoi Sya Uteti Aiweta Tasyo Syithiitwe Syituma Mbulili Kuvalaania Muuo na uyo va Murkomen niwaweta kana muvya wa Useei niwoosete matambi ala mailite kukitana na Mbulili ii ivamwe na ing'endili. Susan Kavilini mwandiki wito.
Murkomen olevikite mbewa nzama ya mbunge ya maundu ma Useei niwaweta kana matambia ala mailite ni mosetwe kwikithia kana ing'endili na Mbulili nisyo kitanwa nasyo kwanzia ila ya ilite.
The government has implemented following sets of measures to secure public safe spaces and safeguard citizens and businesses from gang-related threats. These measures combine enforcement, intelligence, and community-based approaches. 1. Deployment of specialized and rapid response and tactical units in high-risk areas. 2. Use of technology in public safety management, including expansion of CCTV surveillance. 3. Securing critical public infrastructure and economic zones, including markets, transport hubs, central business district, and industrial areas. At the same time, economic empowerment initiatives are being prioritized to create opportunities for young people, particularly in high-risk areas, thereby reducing incentives for joining gangs.
Yulwa kuvithukiwa kwa seneta wa Vihiga Godfrey Osotsi Murkomen niwaweta kana amama esililwa nimekitwe mbini atiyo angini matolekete na kulika nthi ingi na nimaendeea kukwatania na nthi isu kwikithia kana nimekiwa mbini na kutungwa va Kenya.
DCI circulated the pictures. As you said, some of them presented, 3 of them presented themselves. The rest of the 13 or 14 ran out of the country to the neighboring country. So, but the IG and the DCI are on them, working with the authorities in the neighboring country, and we will arrest all of them eventually. As soon as they step in this country, they will all be arrested.
Maunduni makonete maandamano Murkomen niwaweta kana yu maandamano mavindukite na kutwika maungi Aiweta kana kikithiitwe kivangithwa ni atongoi mauli muno kauntini ya Ilovi isio ila ithengiani yete Kitengela na Masako na isioni sya Central Kenya.
It's no longer a civilized protest, Mr. Chair. It's actually a mobilization of gangs and also mobilization of thieves and robbers. The cases that we saw in Nyandarua, Kiambu and Kikuyu areas, Muranga, Nyandarua, Kirinyaga, Meru, the pattern now in this Nairobi and its environment counties, and then Kitengela and Nairobi and Machakos. This area, Nairobi metropolitan area, and the counties in the central region of the country are now becoming an epicenter of protests that are organized with gangs, with criminals, and with robbers. So that when you hear a protest will happen, you know supermarkets are being targeted, shops are being targeted, security installations are being targeted. It has absolutely nothing to do with exercising political rights. And this is attributed directly to political activities of leaders.
Onuwi ovo Murkomen niwaweta kana Kenya kwa oyui na Muuo na Kenya ni maende na maundu mo matena wia.
No, the country is calm, and Kenyans are going about their business peacefully. Of course, the police officers are on high alert to ensure that there are no criminal activities that take advantage of the statements that have recently been witnessed in the country, and should there be anything that is illegal, we have no issue with any legal demonstrations or picketing and so forth. Our focus is to ensure that law and order is observed.
Ngilivote ya vilingwa movo nitawa Susan Kavili.